Morning. We seem to be hitting a low point on the US-China relations front, as President Biden confirms that his administration will hold a tough line on Beijing. Still on a negative note, on the coronavirus side of things, we're approaching 100 million cases globally and still have many countries in full lockdown. Markets didn't seem to care too much though. Equities are up, the S&P and the Nasdaq rose, Treasuries were bought as well, and then the dollar and gold pretty much stayed put. In the crypto space, on Bitcoin side, we stayed in range for several days, and then yesterday bulls attempted to break through, but for now failed. So yesterday's intraday high is 34,880, so a good 8% up, but then the session ended up closing perfectly flat at 32,440. The quick move up spooked some of the altcoin holders, so the Bitcoin dominance seems to have retraced all, if not most, of its previous session's high, or losses, meaning that the alts lost some footing and Bitcoin rose again relative to alts. So after passing all-time highs, Ethereum is closing the day down 5% versus USD and versus Bitcoin at 1,320. Chaining, Polkadot and Tezos are down 4%. Litecoin and Cardano down 2%, and then Bitcoin Cash and Dash are closing essentially flat. Now, the fundamentals are still as positive as they were before with regards to Bitcoin or the crypto space. We can look at the supply of stablecoin, look at that as dry powder to buy crypto, and that has been rising, so that's a bullish indicator. Even more bullish, there's another wave of reports about institutions buying Bitcoin. Rothschild's Investment Corporation reported owning 30,450 shares of GBTC, so Grayscale's Bitcoin fund. Nasdaq-listed Marathon Patent Fund bought 150 million worth of Bitcoin as part of its company's treasuries, so following into MicroStrategy's footstep. And then the endowment funds of Harvard, Yale, Brown, and University of Michigan all reported investing in Bitcoin or blockchain-related projects throughout the past few years. So in the long run, you can regard that as more crypto adoption and definitely very positive for Bitcoin prices. Let's see how that plays in the short term though. We're seeing some larger inflows to exchange, and so that might be hinting at some selling pressure just on the short term. Something to be aware of. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It actually helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come through.